welcome. My name is Alex. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment below letting me know what you think. This practice is short and it is going to help you build and feel more confident. Meet me at the top of your mat. Stand evenly between both feet. Stand tall. Correct posture is something that will help you to feel better on a subconscious level. So we are already getting started. Bring your palms to touch. This action reminds you of gratitude. We all have something to be grateful for. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Let's keep them shoulder width, palms face each other. Try not to arch the back. Begin to slow down the breath in and out through the nose. Feel the arms gently feel heavier. On an inhale, lift, lengthen, look between the hands. Long exhale, bend the knees and forward fold. Press up to standing and bring the palms to touch. Let's take a breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Just let things go. Exhale anything you don't need. Let's do that again. Inhale. Now back to nose breathing. Inhale, bring the arms overhead. Seal the palms and look up at your hands. Arms above the head is going to lift your energy levels and help you to conquer fear. On an exhale, forward fold. Round up to standing. Find your good posture every single time. Lengthen the tailbone down, relax the shoulders, start to engage the core. Inhale, lift the arms overhead, hold the left wrist with the right hand, and I'll turn to show just a little nice side lifting reach. Try not to arch. You want to feel this in the side of your body. And lift up, switch it out. Lift up, lean to the left, but not too much. Hips bump to the right, just a little bit. We're making more room to breathe in the body. Let's bring the palms to touch, feet are together. Inhale, lift. Long exhale, forward fold. Step the right foot to the back of the mat for a lunge. Back toes are tall, left knee over the left ankle. Lower the right knee to the mat and set up 2 right angles with the knees. So you can bring your hands to hips for balance. Top of the back foot is top down, so it's flat. Press that foot down. Press into the left foot to engage the thigh. Feel strong and grounded, and then float the arms overhead. Keep them shoulder width, palms face one another. Relax your expression, relax your thoughts. Feel the strength in your legs. On an inhale, lift the gaze, reach straight up. Exhale, hands float down to frame the left foot. Tuck the right toes and step up to the top of your mat. Relax over both legs, scan right to left. Bend the knees so you can build one vertebrae at a time and round back up to standing, palms touch. Inhale, lift the arms overhead. Seal the palms, interlace the fingers, index finger is out. Press a button on the ceiling, and if it's okay with you, the neck can go back. Straight up, 3 rounds of breath. Lift back up and forward fold. Left foot back to a lunge. Tall on the toes of the left foot, even though you might know what we're going to do next, stay present. The present moment is the only one. Let's set up the kneeling lunge. So you might have to scoot the left knee a little bit closer. We want right angles, so you should feel pretty stable. Wobbling's okay too, though. Hands to hips to start. Let's press the top of the back foot down. Step into the right foot, but don't stand up. Arms overhead. Relax the shoulders down. Draw the core in slightly. My elbows are soft. If you're going to bend them more, let's point the elbows forward so that we're trying to get the biceps right by the ears. Breathe. Feel the power you know is there in your legs. Lift and look between the hands. And exhale, float the hands down to frame the right foot. And we will step to the top of the mat. Relax over the legs. Long exhale. Bend the knees. Chair pose, Utkatasana, awkward. Wiggle the toes. Make sure you can have the weight in the heels. Sit back. Relax the shoulders. Palms face each other. Hands are shoulder width distance. Lengthen the tailbone away from your fingertips. Slowly stand up. Palms touch. Bring your hands to heart center. Minimize extra movement. Feel the elevated heartbeat. Feel the energy that you just decided to direct where you wanted it to go. It's confidence. All of these little tips translate to off of the mat in real life. Turn to face the long edge of your mat. Feet are about, I'd say, wrist distance apart if your arms are out. Warrior 2, right toes point to the top of the mat. Bend into the right knee. I like to bring my arms out in front of me to start, and then open them up. Keep the shoulders over your hips. And then look out over the right hand. Relax your temples, relax your jaw. Straighten the right leg. Let's take this to the other side. So left toes point out. You want the right edge of the foot to be parallel with the top of the mat. Arms side to side and gaze strongly out over the left arm. Fingers are sealed. Let's straighten the left leg, hands to hips. Forward fold over both legs. Hands can go to blocks or a prop. You can sway side to side, ragdoll. And then bring your bring the right hand down right underneath your line of vision. Keep the spine long. We're going to twist to the left. Open up the left hand. Try to keep the hips level. And switch. Wringing out the torso, using strength. Don't worry about how far you go. Right hand down. Hands to hips so you can stand up. Heels in, toes out. Let's bend the knees. Place your hands on top of the knees to assist opening the hips. Lower the right shoulder down. Press the right leg away. Pull the left shoulder back. And switch sides. Feels good. Maybe crack the back a little bit. Come back to center. Bring the palms to touch. Engage the core. Lift the right heel and set it down. Lift the left heel. Set it down. Cactus the arms, fingers are wide. Twist to the right, just the upper body. And to the left. Back to center. Straighten both arms. Straighten both legs. Lift your gaze. Smile. You might already be smiling. This one, picture someone scowling while they do this. Okay, now you're smiling. Meet me at the top of the mat. I think I'm funny sometimes. Stand tall. Let's bend the knees. Utkatasana. Reach the arms away from you. Strong legs. Nice long reach. Palms touch. Stand up. Arms above the head. Gentle back bend. Or any arm variation you'd like. Lifting the arms, like I said, increases your energy. And back bend subconsciously. Encourage courage. Keep breathing. Lift out, forward, fold over the legs. And then separate, excuse me, your feet about mat width. Heels in, toes out. Squat down. Bring the palms to touch. Take your time. You can use a prop. You want the heels flat, but if not, you'll get there. This is another powerful pose. There's a lot going on, but it's beneficial in just keeping the body functioning, which affects your mood, we could say. So we want to be confident and feel good. We did it. Hands to the mat. Bring the toes and the heels to touch. Bend the knees and drape over the legs. Just a soft bend. You want to let the head and the neck relax. Start to draw in the core. We're going to build up one vertebrae at a time. And arrive. Stand evenly between both feet. Stand tall. Find your good posture. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. One last time. Inhale, reach the arms wide. Lift. And slowly lower your hands back down to heart center. Allow the eyes to close. And just think about how we got here a little bit ago and how you feel now. Just that small amount of time is enough to help change your day, and over time it will improve your life, your mood. Thank you so much for being here. If you liked this class, please do let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Namaste.